right, so now that we've just finished doing our virtual art tour, going around the lobby, at this point you should have explored all three of the floors of the art museum. And now you're ready to move on. And what we're going to do next is, instead of wandering around the museum looking for artwork, what we're going to do is take a look at their online collection. So as we go on, and now we're on instructions part 2. First things first, you're going to click here to go to the online collection. Now you're going to find 3 images of artwork from their online collection. This time it can be any 3 that you like. So you want to spend time looking for artworks that you think are actually interesting and sort of special to you. And then I would recommend looking at their timeline view, so you can look at works starting from ancient history to the present. And then once you find 3 works of your choosing, you must add a screen capture to the following slides. This time you're going to be describing in each of 3 of those paintings or drawings or sculptures, whatever they are, where you see the elements of art: line, shape, form, value, color, texture, and space. So if we move on to this slide here, we'll click our link, and then we'll move on to our first slide. So we're looking for line, shape, form, value, color, texture, and space. The first thing we want to do, though, is find a piece of art that we like. Now, I would recommend, as we kind of go down to the bottom, you can look in this collection from canvases, metalworks, oil painting. You can filter it like that. You could also look at it from mythical stories and heroes, U.S. history, Cincy history, Mementos and Imperfection, which was a show that they had about hair, which was really weird. And then you have your Rembrandt, Master Printmaker, and some other collections. I would recommend going down and clicking this little clock icon. And what that's going to do is sort all of the artwork in order of history, starting all the way back to ancient history, all the way back to, what is this, 37,000 BCE. And then you can work your way all the way up until present. And that way you can find sort of where some interesting artwork is happening. And then we can also go all the way up to see kind of where artwork has now gotten to and come. We have some performance artwork, it looks like. And we also have some really interesting paintings as well. So spend time looking through this collection here. Once you find one that you like, you can click on it and it will expand. And then you can use these arrows to then kind of navigate through the different history. So again, you're going to find 3 of these. Once you're ready, you'll take a screen capture by hitting Command-Shift-4. Take your screen capture. And then what you'll do is, in your PowerPoint slide, add that screen capture to your slide here. And then you'll just describe where you see line, where you see shape, where you see form, color, value, texture, and space. Once you've finished all 3, go ahead and go back to Schoology and hit submit.